Alright, this is just a video to show this Crude stand-up fan that was made. And I made it out of a universal motor from a shop vac. And an existing stand-up fan that quit working, which is this thing. And then, of course, I just got some hardware and attached a fan blade to it. And I had to invert the brushes so that the polarity changed and it would blow air forward rather than backward as a vacuum would do. So we've got it hooked up to a couple of 12-volt batteries and I want to see how it does. So let's see. Dramatic effect. That was funny. I don't know why it didn't start, but not bad, huh? That's battery powered. I'll show you the batteries in a moment, but it's just hooked up to two 12 volts. So, running pretty strong. Now one of those batteries is not very charged, and so it was probably going to die in a few minutes, but yep, 24 volts on a old shop vac universal motor, and attached it to an old stand-up fan in this thing, and there you have it, battery powered fan. These are the batteries used, so they don't match, which is part of the problem. This one's rather old, so it's probably not even fully charged. This one should be bang on, but put them in series and hooked it up to that fan, and it did what it did. Definitely not for 8 amp hours, but yeah, that's all it is. I mean, definitely not going to last very long, and you can plug it into some kind of an old power supply. If the battery, well, I guess if the batteries die, you're probably not going to have grid power, but this is what I use otherwise, and this is rather inefficient, but it puts almost 20 volts out, so that'll do the trick if you were so inclined. But I had this lying around, had everything else lying around, so that was the idea, is just making it out of a bunch of stuff that was found essentially free.